Hello there to all of you that are having issues with the good old notorious p0300 random misfire on Chevy Aveos. This could be another option that you might want to look into. This particular one, I've been chasing the random misfire for a couple days. I've cleaned a couple things and I have not gained any performance on as far as the misfire on this particular vehicle. This is an '05 Aveo with a 1.6, and so according to my testing with the catalytic converter, where is this guy at? Oh, right over here. So I did my testing on this, and this one, according to how I tested it, it tested bad. But when I took it off, I found these little bastards inside the catalytic. Big old chunks of metal. Look at these guys. They were all sitting right in the back. I don't know if you guys can see this shit, but you see that divot right over there? I'm putting my light on, but yeah, there's a big old indentation on the honeycomb catalytic thing. Look at that right there. We're all sitting back there, but yeah, look at all these pieces. These are all metal chunks, and if you can really tell, I look up what a valve guide on this particular car looks like. This is exactly what it looks like, right where the valve guide rides. And so I will be replacing or repairing the head on that little guy out there. Alright, well, this might be an option that you guys might want to look up and see if that might be the same issue that you guys are having. But I was definitely having a random misfire. And like I said, I cleaned throttle body, I cleaned the idle air control valve, I checked the EGR. There was some possible options to look at as a random misfire. But I believe right now we have a head job to do. Thank you.